Hello everyone, my name is Jethro. Born and raised in South Africa, I now have the privilege of coming here to Foshan, China to visit this wonderful factory called Catpapa. It is now time for you guys to come see it with me and experience the factory as if you were here by yourself. Come join me. Catpapa's children's clothing factories. They were established back in 2015 and have been making children's clothing ever since. After they were established, they decided they were going to become a multinational industry, and since then have absolutely succeeded in doing so. They have partnered with the likes of Shein and Catpapa, and to this day have been producing almost 10 million different pieces of children's clothing sets. Specializing in their own designs and copywriting and all, they are truly an example of what a clothing company should become.
This flexible and customized supply chain model has also shortened the time from design to production of a children's clothing item from 2 months to 7 to 10 days. Moreover, by using smart inventory management, the production cost of each piece of clothing has also been reduced from tens of dollars to just a few. The process of transforming a fabric into a clothing item involves several steps. 1. Design. Designers turn their inspiration into product sketches. 2. Procurement. Procurement specialists purchase the fabrics and accessories. 3. Cutting.
This is where they take the large fabric that they procure and cut them down into smaller, more manageable pieces.
4. Printing. The clothes will have beautiful letters or cartoon patterns put on them. 5. Sewing. Skilled craftsmen sew the fabric pieces into finished clothes. 6. Final shipment. This is the last part where they finally package everything and send it off.
How many pieces can you make in a day? 1,000 pieces in a day.
Catpapa has an average monthly design output of over 1,000 models and an average monthly production of no less than 450 new products. Of course, as the quantity of clothing increases, the quality will not be compromised. All clothing and fabrics have strict quality standards, and the raw materials are tracked back to the source and sent to professional departments for quality inspection. At the level of production innovation, they have also established a project team for personalized clothing customization for children, creating a unique name clothing for babies. Since 2017, Catpapa has become a strategic supplier of Pat, and in September 2018, it has become an excellent supplier for Shein, the only supplier providing them with children's clothing. In addition to serving these large companies, Catpapa also serves many individual clients who want to start their own business, helping them grow and achieve their goals. In terms of cooperation, customers can choose models such as ODM or OEM.
This is the factory's cafeteria. I've heard the food is very delicious, and there's even some people that choose to work here because of the relaxed atmosphere and the wonderful canteen that comes with it. Can't wait to try it. 你好，谢谢，谢谢。我的中文很不好。
When we discovered the factory, we were concerned about the working conditions. But on this land, what we see is a group of skilled workers who cooperate to create quality products, serve customers, and enhance their well-being. Don't take our word for it. You're also welcome to come and experience it yourself and have a wonderful journey. The old era and old relations of production are becoming obsolete, and we are all working hard to build a better future for ourselves and our children. We believe in innovation, collaboration, and sustainability. The founder of Catpapa, Zhou Huangqi, once said, "To succeed in cross-border children's clothing, we use the simplest method. That is, run longer and faster than others." Catpapa was founded on the principle of outperforming the competition through diligence. If you share this belief, we welcome you to join us as a partner or a satisfied customer.
Bye everyone.